road trip. We're in Croatia still. Courtney's looking at places to stay tonight because we don't leave for Slovenia till tomorrow morning. And it's super nice out, nice and quiet. Just had a great night's sleep. Gonna go get some breakfast. Alright, what do we got going on here?
Lots of food. If I'm uncomfortable, my food.
Is that a good pineapple?
Yeah, out of here. I'll turn it too.
How's that granola and yogurt? Alright, just finished breakfast. Courtney threw a napkin at me, which was pretty cool. Now we're walking down to the shore and we're gonna take some photos because no one's on the beachfront right now and the water's nice and calm. So just gonna knock that out real quick and then head to the room and pack up. Alright, we changed clothes. We're heading out to the car. We're gonna see if they'll let us stay here another night.
Look how cute he looks.
Oh my god. And then we're gonna try about renting a boat. If not, minimum, we're gonna do jet skis today. And then we're heading to Old Town. Yeah, the lavender smells really good. They got lavender plants all around the area here. So this is actually a cute little compound.
It's really inexpensive and you get a beautiful scenic view. The rooms are okay, but
yeah,
you're only sleeping in them though.
But you're only sleeping in them. Yeah. There's Courtney returning with her phone, ready to get on today's adventure. So it was in the house.
I don't want to talk about it.
Alright, we can get going now. So we're in Rovinj. It's Rovinj. I don't think I'm saying it right because it's Croatian, but just checking out all the views. We're gonna head over towards the church and see if we can find this one little cute table by the water, in between two buildings that we saw on Instagram last night. So if we get it, we get it. If we don't, we don't. Courtney's a happy camper. Found an old bunker, it looks like. Let's check it out. Oh, it's locked. Can't go in there. It's just full of trash. I'm gonna pop the drone up and get some aerial shots of the town. We found it. Courtney's shopping. Pretty cute. Courtney's fixing her hair, taking it out of the braids. Try the photos like that. So we found it. There's a cute little store there called Charm as well, and it sells silk dresses that are really pretty. Courtney might get one later. We'll see. They're about $100 a dress. We don't want to carry it around in our bag right now, so I'm gonna keep exploring the city and see what else we find.
We do one mango one.
More gelato. Oh, that's mine. So we're driving back to the hotel. Just left Rovinj, or however you say it. It is a cute little coastal town. Little shops and trinket stores throughout it, and some restaurants with seafood because it's a little fishing port. But other than that, the weather is just amazing right now. It's 78 and it's gonna get hotter. This little fruit stand. You can get some grapes that look really good. Oh, the blackberries look super good too. Got some fresh fruit from the side of the road. We're gonna head out to Lone Bay now and hang out, but first found another spot Courtney wants to check out. You found swim trunks? Oh, donuts. Those are cute. You got everything you need? Alright. Got the lizard hunter in the wild. Still going for it. Oh man.
Aww.
He got away? Dang it. Alright, we're here. On a little private island. I'll show you a shore. Courtney's exploring the little island we paddleboarded out to. Got some seagull friends. Alright, we're doing a quick scout of the island. We're just gonna walk around it, see what we have here. So it's time to pack everything up. Gotta head back for the jet ski reservations that we have at 6. They rent paddle boards on shore for like $10 an hour, American, which highly recommend you just take those out, get on one of these little islands. There's about 6 of them on this little, I'm gonna call it an archipelago. But it's been really nice just having some boats out in the bay swimming by, and then the waves crashing on the shore. It's been real relaxing. All right, you ready? No more paddleboarding. It's time to go. You're gonna leave? You heading out in this landlocked little channel here? Done at the beach, packed up the board, and heading to the car. Gonna go ride some jet skis. Courtney's got some trash we found and made. So, leaving with what we took in.
Oh my gosh, you're so cute! Is that a puppy? Yeah.
Alright, we're heading to the jet skis. That was a nice little stop with the puppy. Courtney's really happy. Yeah, so we're gonna go rip it on the ocean. How was that?
I didn't fall off like somebody.
Yeah. Alright, we just finished jet skiing. It was really fun. The jet skis had this little GPS thing that only allowed us to stay in like a 3-kilometer distance, but it was still pretty far.
You only need 30 minutes.
Only needed 30 minutes, and then another feature that I didn't like was if you got within 50 meters of the other jet ski, it slowed them down. So you couldn't really play with each other in the waves, but it was fun. I got flung off. Didn't GoPro it, and then it was also probably the most expensive jet skiing I've done here ever. Because it was, what was it?
100, no, it was 1,000 tuna, which was $142.
$142 for an hour. So that's a little pricey. We did half an hour, so half the rate, so $70. But definitely fun with the waves out there playing. What the heck? Here we are. Right this way.
Oh wait,
Oh, the key's in the bag.
I cried.
Alright. Looking like a snack. Oh wow. You gonna change your outfit?
Yeah, so we can match better.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm dressed up compared.
Yeah, you're looking real nice. Real fancy.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I feel like we're not even going to like a dinner.
Just gonna go get some pizza. Really excited about it. Yeah, I'm starving. We've been playing outside in the ocean and in the sun all day.
We got up at 6?
Yes.
Movie?
Got up at 6 and left the hotel at 7, and it's just been town and all
Not
that
even
stuff.
knowing what the day consisted.
Yeah, so it's still day 4 of the road trip, which is just crazy. We've done so much the past 4 days. It's just really cool. Alright, Courtney's all changed. What was just your 4th or 5th outfit of the day? 4th? Wow, it looks nice as well. Like a snack. Like a toasted snack.
Look, it matches better with you.
Matches a little better. So we're gonna go get dinner now. All the knobs.
You're gonna take on.
So we're here looking at the menu, and they're pretty good prices.
I mean, especially for being on a hotel area, like to be a little more.
Yeah, and on the water, so that's pretty nice. Got my carbonara, and Courtney's got her grilled calamari. And with full bellies, we make our way down to the beach. How was your dinner?
That's interesting.
Yeah, she didn't like it, but the sunset's starting to happen. The water's reflecting, very pretty. Alright, so we just got this cool shot at the infinity pool. I got Courtney way over there, and then I set it up by filming and then holding it up against this used Coca-Cola can to get these sweet, awesome shots. Alright, that's the end of day 4 for the road trip. And happy 4th of July. There's no fireworks tonight, but this view looks amazing.